HeliDirect!
What's up, guys? Patrick. Got a cool little unboxing today, something I've been waiting for quite a long time. It's from HeliDirect. It is the HDX Ripper 180. And I'm stoked on this. The 180 size helicopter comes in two packages. You got the ready to fly and you've got the bind and fly. I've got the ready to fly version with me here today. Let's take a look, see what we get in the box. You've got your Ripper 180 manual. You also have the 6-channel radio manual, a Pulse 700 milliamp 50C battery. Can't go wrong with Pulse. Best batteries in the market. Looks like you got a charger, some spare blades, parts, and a battery tray. Screwdriver and an extra tail fin. Here's the HDX T6 6-channel radio. Looks like you've got your mode for the 6G stability mode and 3D mode. High and low rates. You got a throttle hold switch and a flat mode and a gear. And it is programmable. But like I said, you can also buy this in a bind and fly version, save yourself a little money. But if you're a beginner, this is important that you can get something right out of the box that can fly. This is completely 3D capable if you have the ability. And if you don't, it's something that's going to be nice and stable in the air. Here's the Ripper right here. Look at that. Super nice canopy. Direct drive tail and main motor. Nice and gold. Dang, look at that. And that. Carbon fiber tail boom. Gosh dang, everything on this is real nice. Let's get a look under the canopy. You've got your fly barless controller here. And you've got a couple different pots you can choose. Head gain and probably some agility. Also a tail gain on there. This is Futaba S-Bus as well as DSMX compatible. So you can use this with your Spectrum radio or Futaba radios. Really cool model, small enough to fly in the backyard. You can get that ready to fly package, which is the one I have here. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how to program and do everything yet, this is something you can take right out of the box and go from beginner to, as you advance, you know, full 3D capable. Parts are super cheap. You can get everything at HeliDirect. I'm ready to get some flights on this and see how it does. Thanks for stopping in.